I'd heard that there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And baby, I've been here before. I know this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Well, love is not a victory march. It's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time when I let you know what's really going on below, but now you really show it to me, do you? And remember when I moved and you, the holy dove, was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. It's not a cry you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's cold and it's a broken